Over the years, we have shared videos on the different home theater configurations and the variety of formats such as Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Atmos, DTS-X and more. These technologies are designed to immerse you in audio from all sides, all angles and increasingly from all heights too. The whole idea is to place the speakers in a way that lets you experience movies as if you are part of it. Poor setup or positioning of the speakers is sure to deliver lackluster output or ruin the entire movie experience altogether. So, it is important to know how to position speakers to bring the most out of your audio setup. That's exactly what we are going to look at in this video. Before we learn more, please subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Now, let's dive in. Firstly, it is important to remember that the following recommendations are not cast in stone. Almost every system and every room has some eccentricity that requires a bit of modification. Front, left and right speakers. These speakers should flank the display and subtend at an angle of 45 degrees when viewed from the main listening position. Make every effort to place both speakers on the same plane, preferably with their tweeters at ear level when you are seated. They should also be placed at some distance from the listening location. Also, most loudspeakers sound best when placed away from the front and side walls of most home theater rooms. Center channel speaker. The center channel speaker must be as close to the TV screen as possible. Ensure that the level of the center speaker's tweeter is at the same height as the left and right channel tweeters. If your room does not allow for this ideal placement, place it immediately below or above the display's vertical center line. Make sure you aim the center channel speaker at the seated ear level of the primary listening position. Surround speakers. In general, place the main surround speakers well above the ear level on the side walls. They should be placed slightly behind the main listening position and above ear level so that the speaker's radiation pattern avoids excessive localization, which can prove distracting while watching a movie. For the rear surround speakers, mount them high on a rear wall at approximately 1/3 intervals. Height virtualization speakers. For Atmos and other virtualization speakers, the positions differ. When using upward firing speakers, ensure that the ceiling is flat and place them in a way that there are no pillars in the sound wave's path. Your other option is to use ceiling mounted speakers that fire the sound directly to the listener. These speakers need to be mounted at the center point between the listening position and the front, left, right and center speakers. Aim to opt for ceiling speakers with the tweeters angled towards the listener. Also ensure that the settings in the AV processor are tuned to match your installation, especially the time delay settings. Bass management. When setting up your home theater, proper bass management is key. Not every loudspeaker can reproduce deep bass frequencies. Most home theater receivers and surround processors offer some settings. These allow you to specify whether your speakers should be played as full range, which can handle deep bass signals, or if they should be designated as small speakers. Depending on your crossover frequency settings, the bass signals are rerouted to the subwoofer. This way, you can let your smaller speakers play the way they were intended while letting the subwoofer handle the heavy lifting. We hope these tips help you get the home theater system of your dreams. If you are still unable to get your system up to the mark, you can always get in touch with the helpful and resourceful UberPad support team. Thank you for watching.